Yep, you can start seeing this boat is rising. Remember where the head of it, top of it was before? It's rising. I guess it's going to get to a certain point and you can see again the water swirling there. Now you can see the people's head right there, right? So it's getting bigger and bigger. Guess when it gets to a certain level, then these gates up here, they're going to open. Let the boat go through on the Erie Canal and go to the other side. Where are you guys headed? Hello? Where are you headed?
We're doing the loop.
You're doing the loop?
Yep.
What does that mean?
America's Great Loop is a circumnavigation of the eastern half of the continent.
Okay.
North America.
Yes.
So we're headed west on the Erie Canal to the Oswego, and then we're going to cross Lake Ontario and go across the Prince Severn Waterway.
Yep.
And we'll come out the North Channel in Lake Michigan, Lake Fort Huron.
Cool.
Back down to Chicago and the inland rivers.
Will you go over to the Mississippi at all?
The upper Mississippi to Cairo, Illinois.
Yes.
Then we'll take a little jog up the Ohio and down to Tennessee.
How many days have you been doing this?
He left Houston, Texas in October.
Woo! And it's July now.
Yes.
So you've been on the water since October.
He's been on the water since October. I just came aboard with him in Albany, New York 2 days ago.
Okay. So how long you think the trip is going to be total? Almost
About a year.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's about a year-long journey.
You're going to have fun, huh?
That's the whole name of the game.
How many of these locks have you come through?
This is the eighth one today.
Cool. How much fuel is it going to take?
To do the whole trip,
Yes.
about $6,000 worth.
That's a nice. So you planned this trip.
Oh yeah.
How long had it take you to plan it?
I first started thinking about it back 50 years ago when I was in Vietnam.
Okay.
And I used to be on river patrol, and I thought, man, what a wonderful way to see my country.
Amen. Amen. We got a great country, isn't it?
Awesome.
And the ingenuity.
And I was born in western Pennsylvania.
Okay.
I was on the river when I was 3 days old. And I've been planning this trip 10 years.
Okay.
And I set out on my own in a 21-foot cuddy cabin in April.
Okay.
It got destroyed in Virginia.
Wow.
I went back home, and he called me Saturday and asked me to cruise.
First name?
Susan.
First name?
Bob,
I'm Robert.
Robert, pleased to meet you.
Likewise. Listen, yeah. Man, this is awesome. I like that. Yeah.
So I'll be back through again on my own boat next year.
All right. Well, God bless you. Enjoy. Have a wonderful and safe trip.
Thank you very much.
All righty.